Hey friends, welcome back to Grand Adventure. I'm your host Mark Guido, and Grand Adventure is an RV channel. So what am I doing hanging out in a tent? I'll explain in just a moment. Stay tuned. As we were preparing to depart Salt Lake City on our Grand Adventure 2025, KingCamp reached out to us. They wanted us to try their Con Light, a 4-season hot tent. As an RV-centric channel, at first we declined, but then we thought about it some more. We've seen other RV folks using structures, like clam shelters, as outdoor spaces, especially in inclement weather and when bugs are swarming. 2 other couples will be joining us on this season's Grand Adventure, so an outdoor living space will be welcome. And Western Canada isn't exactly known for incessantly sunny skies and bug-free living either. It would also provide exceptional guest quarters. So we took KingCamp up on their offer, and they sent us their Con Light tent and accompanying wood-burning stove. In our opinion, the Con Light is a huge upgrade over a clam shelter or something similar. It comes standard with a PE dust-proof ground cloth, which can be laid beneath the tent to protect the tent from wear and tear. The 210D ground cloth boasts a 10,000 millimeter waterproof rating to protect against ground moisture. The tent comes in 2 sizes. We opted for the smaller Con Light 400 with a 13 square foot footprint. Despite its name, it's not light, tipping the scales at 62 pounds. But no one's going to go backpacking with this thing. It's a base camp type of product. Setup takes about 20 minutes and is rather simple once you get it figured out. Our first attempt included some failures, as the only instructions provided are in the form of photos, many of which lack appropriate detail. Built from 210G cotton polyester fabric, the Con Light is a 4-season tent that offers breathability and comfort, providing warmth in winter and breathability in summer. The floor-to-ceiling window in the front hall is both breathable and bug-proof, while the full side wall screen window on either side of the 6 1/3 foot doorway provides a panoramic view. The front door features a transparent PVC material, enabling you to watch the rain on wet days and enjoy the snowfall in winter, and providing indoor lighting. Height at the tent's peak is nearly 9 feet, allowing anyone to stand up. The foyer can be pulled up to create a small sunshade vestibule for additional outdoor living space. 3 small ventilation windows on the top ensure a continuous air circulation, preventing condensation at night. A lantern loop up here in the peak would have been a nice touch. In warmer weather, there are numerous screened windows to provide nearly 360-degree ventilation. All zippers are of an appropriate size for their purpose. Those using the Con Light as an overnight tent will appreciate the 2 removable gear pockets. The floor mat is designed with an opening corresponding to the position of the chimney, allowing for safe placement of a wood stove. The stainless steel Surefire Tent Stove we've obtained from KingCamp comes in 3 different sizes. And as we don't plan to camp in the Con Light in the dead of winter, we opted for the smallest one to provide a little ambiance from the stove's heat-resistant viewing window and a bit of warmth on a chilly night. We didn't fully appreciate just how small it is, so while it packs neatly and conveniently in our RV, with the entire 5.5-foot chimney pipe storing within the stove itself, it's going to require very small cuts of wood less than 12 inches long. The entire stove and chimney pipe weighs only 14.5 pounds. The removable top panel allows you to use your Surefire Tent Stove as a cooking grill. The ashtray is removable for easy cleanup. An adjustable sleeve-type chimney mouth accommodates various wood stoves, including the Surefire. This design keeps out rain and snow and uses heat-insulating and flame-retardant fiber cloth, withstanding temperatures up to 400 degrees centigrade. With its ample space, bright light, small wood stove for ambiance and warmth, and weatherproof shelter, we're quite confident that there will be many times on our Grand Adventure 2025 that we'll be happy to have the KingCamp Con Light along as extra square footage as a community gathering space for our group of 6 all summer long and well into the fall. Whether it's for dining together, gathering for evening cocktails, playing cards, or just shooting the breeze, the Con Light should serve its purpose throughout our 2025 travels. So I'm pretty sure that we won't be setting up the Con Light by KingCamp at every one of our stops this season. However, as we travel further north into northern British Columbia, where both the rainfall and the bugs are reportedly prevalent, I'm quite certain that this will serve as a wonderful little community space for all 6 of us, especially during times of inclement weather. If you'd like to add the Con Light to your camping quiver, we'll put links both down below in the video description and right here on the screen in the form of a QR code that you can go out and check it out for yourself. We hope that you found the information in this episode useful to you. If you like this episode, please be sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. And while you're down below, that's where you'll find the comment section where we love to hear from you every week and where we remain available for any questions that you may have. Now, this is going to be our last product review or how-to episode pretty much for the rest of 2025 and even beyond, as we're now bringing you all across Western North America, both the US and Canada, to some amazingly beautiful places beginning next Wednesday with Lava Hot Springs, Idaho. So if you're not yet a Grand Adventurer, there is no better time than right now for you to go smash that little subscribe button, the one right down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen, and ring that notification bell to be sure that you never miss a Grand Adventure, which we premiere every Wednesday evening. We'd also be honored if you shared the channel with your friends, family, and on social media. So until next Wednesday from Lava Hot Springs, please remember life is nothing but a grand adventure. We'll see you then.